Good morning, student of class 12. I hope you are well at home and you are doing your work properly. And today's topic is refraction. What is refraction? Now the definition of refraction is refraction. Refraction is the phenomenon of bending of light as it passes from one medium to another medium. जब लाइट रेज एक मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम में ट्रेवल करती है तो वो दूसरे मीडियम में ट्रेवल करने पर बेंड हो जाती है. द बेंडिंग ऑफ द लाइट रे डिपेंड अपॉन द refractive index of the medium. It has been found that the bending of light takes place because the velocity of light is different in different medium. Now laws of refraction. The first law of refraction is the incident ray, the refracted ray and normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Here you can see this is incident ray and this is refracted ray, and at the point of incidence, this is the point of incidence, and normal at the point of this incidence, all these three lie in the same plane. Second law, the ratio of the sine angle of incidence to the sine angle of refraction is constant. For the two given medium, this constant is denoted by a mu b and is called the relative refractive index of medium b with respect to medium a. And sin I upon sin r equals a mu b, and this is also called the law of Snell's law of refraction. Now refractive index. A refractive index of a medium is a physical quantity which gives a measure of the angle of bending of light. And refractive index mu equals speed of light in vacuum upon speed of light in the material medium. Next, principle of reversibility of light. When a light ray, after suffering any number of reflection and refraction, has its final path reversed, it travels back along the entire initial path. This is called principle of reversibility of light. 1 mu 2 equals sin I upon sin r. Here is a light ray OA incident at a point A, and a ray AB is refracted ray. If the refracted ray retraces the path, and the here incident ray will be BA and refracted ray will be OAO, then 2 mu 1 equals sin r upon sin I, equation number second. Now we shall multiply equation number second and first and second. 1 mu 2 into 2 mu 1 equals sin I upon sin r equals sin r upon sin I, and sin I upon sin will cancel out, sin r upon sin r will cancel out. Then 1 mu 2 equals 1 mu 2 into 2 mu 1 equals 1, and 1 mu 2 equals 1 upon 2 mu 1. Thus the refractive index of medium 2 relative to medium 1 is equal to the reciprocal of the refractive index of medium 1 relative to medium